Hey everybody, I'm Daria, one of the product designers at Intercom, and I want to show you how I've been using Cursor to design and build prototypes directly in code using our React design system. So I've got the dev environment running here in Cursor, and I've got the demo page in React that we will be building. I'll start with the first prompt. We're going to build a sample table components with a couple of columns, 5 rows of mock data, and there you go. Let's give it a wait. Takes a little bit of time. So I can see it out of the table, exactly what I asked for, and it has all the properties that the components in the system have. So I didn't have to ask for hover states and things like that. Let's go back and do the next iteration. Let's ask it to make the tables rows interactive. So I want this to each row, when I hover over it, I want it to display a button and open the size sheet on clicking on that button. Again, a bit of wait. Okay, let's go back and check it. So you can see the button appeared on hover, and when I click on it, it brings up the sheet. Again, another component from the design system, and I didn't have to specify no properties or interaction details. It's just pulling it from the system directly. And let's do the next and the last iteration from this demo. Let's just fill in this sheet with some sample form fields. Let's give it another couple of seconds. And you can notice that I'm not really specifying, like I'm not giving it direct code snippets from the React library. I'm just naming the components that I want to see. And it's clever enough to understand which components it needs to pull. Okay, let's open it back. And now it's added all the components that we asked for. Again, there is some out-of-the-box interaction details, which is really nice. So we can continue building and tweaking this design. Obviously, it's not perfectly polished and there's things to do, but you can see how, like, in theory, you can assemble it fairly quickly, having the design system components built in React. I'm going to skip that over and show you the real example of the prototype I built recently. It has all the similar components, tables, sections, interactive elements for adding new rows and editing rows, some local state management and things like that. It's currently it's not connected to backend, but engineers on the team will help me with that. And the main value in all of that I'm seeing is actually just having something tangible. When it's interactive like that and when it's in the context of the real app environment, it's much more convincing, it's easier to test and evaluate, and ultimately it speeds up the development cycle. So thank you for watching.